Hello everyone, welcome back to StudyBuddy Code channel. We're solving SAT maths questions in the domain algebra. The difficulty level is medium. Okay, these questions that have been selected are not in any BlueBook practice test. If you would like to know how I've selected them, you can go back to the first video in the playlist. Let's start reading the question now. Isabel ordered topsoil and crushed stone, which cost a total of $641 for her garden. The given equation represents the relationship between the number of cubic yards of topsoil, which is X, and the number of tons of crushed stone, Y, Isabel ordered. How much more in dollars did a ton of crushed stone cost Isabel than a cubic yard of topsoil? So I'll give you a minute to solve the question. Now you can go ahead and pause the video. Okay, let's start solving this question. Isabel ordered topsoil, okay? Topsoil and crushed stone are two different objects or things. Topsoil, we've been given, okay, X is topsoil, and it's measured in cubic yards. And Y, which is crushed stone, is being measured in tons. Okay, great. So what is the question asking us? How much more in dollars did a ton of crushed stone cost Isabel than a cubic yard of topsoil? Okay, so when you've been given this type of question, you don't need to be worried because it's really easy. Because you would probably get worried when you don't have any other numbers or any other values. But here, what they're asking us is that how much more did this cost more than this, okay? How would you know that? It's really easy. Let me show you. First, let me write the equation first, or function. 5y equals $641. How about you just substitute x with 1 and y with 1? Because even the question is telling you to do that. Where is it asking you? Here. Sorry, where is it telling you? Here. Did a ton of crushed stone, a ton, and a cubic yard. That means 1, okay? Is singular, so that means you're only calculating for 1 cubic yard or 1 ton of crushed stone. So if you multiply anything with 1, automatically, of course, it's the number you're multiplying it with. So here it would be 24.5, and here it would be 24.75. This is how much 1 ton of crushed stone costs, and this is how much 1 cubic yard of topsoil costs. So you can subtract this now. 24.5, right? Because why did we subtract? Because they're asking us how much more did this cost than this. How much more did this cost? So you're going to subtract the larger value with the smaller value, and you would get your answer, which is 0.25. So can you use Desmos for this? Sure. You can use it to get your answer, maybe for calculating it. I will not show you this one because we're just going to calculate, like multiply it with 1 or subtract this. That's why we're going to use Desmos only.